Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to convert an image to a PDF file. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google Docs. Click on docs.google.com. Once the site opens, click on blank to start a new document. When the document loads, go to the top menu, click on Insert, hover over Image, and select Upload from Computer. Choose the image you want to convert. It will appear directly in the document. You can resize it by clicking and dragging its corners, depending on how large or small you want it displayed in the final file. To convert this document into a PDF, go to the top left, click on File, then hover over Download, and choose PDF Document. The file will automatically begin downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, open the file. You will now see that the image has been successfully converted into a PDF format. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.